Hey guys, my package is finally here. I ordered the Hoover Smartwash Plus that's supposed to be an easy clean. You push forward to wash, pull back to dry. This video is in no way sponsored at all. I will tell the 100% truth, good or bad, on any reviews I do. I just like testing out new things, seeing what works, what doesn't. And it's supposed to be super easy, and I hope you guys like the video. There's also some carpet cleaning at the end. It was super easy to put together, not so easy to take out the box. It has a removable piece on the front. If you could see on the box, that piece comes off, and the two brushes also come off for easy cleaning. It was literally probably just like a vacuum, pretty much like it says, and it's super easy to use. The only problem I had is that I had to go over the carpets numerous times, but our carpets were also extremely bad. Like, they were black, not even the same color as a carpet should be. And the has a 1-gallon cleaning tank on top, and the dirty water tank is separate, and they literally pop off. Like, they popped straight off. Easy cleaning, and you'll see here in a second when it goes by how easy it was. The only thing I don't like is cords. I have this vacuum now where the cord automatically sucks up, and I just hate wrapping cords. I feel like it's such a hassle. It did come fully put together. The only thing I had to do was pop the bar in and clip it off. It was ready to go. It did also come with a tiny pet solution, which I like pretty well, but I think I need to buy the deep cleaning solution. First, we're just going to pop that off. That is the clean water tank. I filled it with some nice hot water. That in my other hand is the cleaning solution tank. It's a tank all by itself. This is a auto mix carpet cleaner. Everything about it is really simple. I was just playing with it. I was confused. I didn't know how it worked, but it actually works pretty well. That black piece, you just screw off, fill it, and pop it back in. One whole thing of that probably will do the room twice. Now that it's set up and all ready to go, I'm going to vacuum the carpets really quick. They recommend that you vacuum the carpets first just to get anything up. Putting the cleaning solution in, and then I'm going to fill the tank with hot water. As you can see, we have some really extremely dark black stains on the carpet. I'm going to pop the clean water in, and we are ready to start. Like I said, the carpet was extremely bad and it did pull up these huge balls of dirt that it just pretty much spit out on the carpet, and I picked up and I threw away. Next, I had Alan plug in the scrubber part and had him scrub some of the really dark black spots, and they pretty much all came up except for some of the spots kind of look like a gum texture. The black came off of it, but the spot was still there. And again, the carpets were extremely bad. They're still not done, but I've been going over them a couple times and it got most of it, and the carpet's already feeling a little better. These carpets had a lot of powder on them, like carpet powder, and people would put carpet powder on top of dirty carpets and vacuum, and it just created a really nasty carpet. I don't like powder carpets anyway to begin with. They're bad for your vacuums in general, and hopefully there will be no more on our carpets. When you pull back, it will click right there and it'll say dry. Push forward, it'll say wash. I went over the carpets and then I took the cleaning solution out and I did it again with just clean water to rinse it. And then you can also click a button, and it has a dry only button which dries the floors. Now my only biggest problem with this vacuum slash carpet cleaner is that it does not have heat dry. It says that it has heat dry, but there's no heat dry at all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my review so far. I will definitely be back with more cleaning and carpet cleaning videos.